Nagatihalli Ramesh honored with the Ganga Kaveri Ocean and Earth Compassion International Award. A meaningful confluence of rivers, humanity and environmental consciousness. From the banks of the Kaveri to the shores of the Ganga. As part of the observance of World Environment Day, a remarkable international gathering was jointly organized by the Government of India, the Government of West Bengal, the United Nations, the United Journalists Forum, Ananda Bahar, and the Universal Soul Tree Foundation. On this significant occasion, Nagatihalli Ramesh, renowned poet, thinker, short film and music album producer, social, political and environmental activist, and agriculturist from Karnataka, India, was conferred the prestigious Ganga Kaveri Ocean and Earth Compassion International Award. The honor was bestowed in recognition of his outstanding contributions to literature, environmental awareness, social consciousness, cultural thought, and humanitarian values. The award ceremony itself was deeply symbolic and meaningful. The event was inaugurated by watering plants with the sacred waters of the rivers Ganga and Kaveri, affirming humanity's inseparable relationship with nature. In their citation, the organizers stated, "This distinguished international honor recognizes your exceptional contributions towards environmental protection, ecological awareness, humanitarian service, cultural harmony, and responsibility for a sustainable planet." They further observed, "Inspired by the civilizations nurtured by the sacred rivers Ganga and Kaveri, this award symbolizes environmental unity, ecological responsibility, and compassion for all living beings." The award's inspiring motto, "Two sacred rivers, one ocean, one planet, one responsibility," beautifully reflects its vision and significance. For decades, Nagatihalli Ramesh has consistently spoken about the importance and urgency of protecting the earth, rivers, oceans, and natural ecosystems. Through his poetry, essays, speeches, and social engagement, he has tirelessly advocated environmental consciousness and human responsibility. His personality remains profoundly rooted in the philosophy of the earth. Significantly, the title of his very first poetry collection was The Ocean and the Rain. One of his lifelong convictions is that life must be faced with hope and resilience. He expresses this philosophy through memorable metaphors and deeply humane reflections. His imagination constantly meditates upon water, and in many ways his life itself flows like a river of compassion. The Ganga and the Kaveri are among India's most significant rivers. They are not merely lifelines for millions of people and farmers but also living symbols of the nation's cultural and spiritual heritage. The Ganga rises at Gangotri in the Himalayas and journeys towards the Bay of Bengal. The Kaveri originates at Talakaveri and ultimately reaches the same Bay of Bengal. Though their sources are different, their destination is one. Likewise, a poet born in the land of the Kaveri has now been honored in distant West Bengal, carrying with him the dignity, beauty, and literary richness of Kannada culture. Throughout Nagatihalli Ramesh's poetry, rivers, rain, oceans, lakes, fields, forests, birds, farmers, and human compassion appear as living presences rather than mere poetic images. His poems such as The Ocean and the Rain, Beware, The Lake, Dew on the Grass, and Searching for that Divine Light reveal the profound relationship between water and life. When he writes, "A lake is never merely a lake. It is the eye of a village's life. A lake is not merely water. It is a treasury of civilization." Poetry becomes a declaration for environmental protection. Elsewhere he warns, "Creatures unable to find water are being swept away in water itself." These lines resonate as a powerful reminder of the ecological crises confronting our times. His poetry may be described as a continuous meditation upon water, a sacred reflection on life itself. The organizers invited participants to a meaningful international gathering dedicated to rivers, oceans, the earth, humanity, and future generations. These words inevitably recall one of Ramesh's own poetic aspirations. "May my journey continue to water the last remaining crops." The conference also sought to raise awareness about river and ocean conservation, environmental justice, climate responsibility, sustainable development, humanitarian compassion, and ecological peace. The event brought together government officials from India and West Bengal, environmentalists from various countries, political leaders, scholars, writers, youth representatives, media professionals, social organizations, international delegates, and distinguished personalities from diverse fields. The award ceremony was held at the Mahajati Southern Annex Seminar Hall, Kolkata, on the 5th of June 2026, appropriately coinciding with World Environment Day. Heartfelt congratulations are due to Nagatihalli Ramesh, a man whose heart is as vast as the ocean and whose compassion possesses the depth and weight of the earth itself. His life motto, "Let us come together, build together, live together, and illuminate together," found beautiful expression in this gathering, which became another milestone of collective hope, shared responsibility, and human solidarity. A memorable highlight of the program was the presentation of Ramesh's recent poem, Ganga Kaveri. The poem was recited in Bengali by poet and presenter Shubhra Tohit, whose moving rendition deeply touched the audience. Padma Shri awardee and distinguished humanitarian educator Qazi Masoom Akhtar described it as a poem that touches the heart and repeatedly draws us back to the sacred river of poetry. Shyamal Kumar Banig, president of the Tapan Sikdar Memorial Trust and social activist, remarked, "Whenever we immerse ourselves in Nagatihalli Ramesh's poetic universe, we encounter living poetry that remains forever in memory." This award ceremony itself became such a living poem. Poet and organizer Sharmishtha observed that the lines of Ganga Kaveri beautifully embodied the spirit of the Ganga Kaveri Ocean and Earth Compassion International Award, reaffirming water as the lifeblood of existence. An introduction to Nagatihalli Ramesh was presented by Siddhartha Gangopadhyay, founder president of the Universal Soul Tree Foundation. The welcome address was delivered by Krishnendu Datta, editor of Ananda Bahar. The program was gracefully anchored by journalist P. K. Chakravarti, treasurer of the United Journalists Forum. As the gathering concluded, participants expressed a collective hope that the message embodied in this award would reach every corner of the world, inspiring greater environmental responsibility, compassion, and respect for all forms of life. In a deeply symbolic sense, the event fulfilled the poet's own dream. It became a way of watering the last remaining crops. More than an award ceremony, it was a confluence of rivers, cultures, poetry, environmental consciousness, and human compassion, a celebration not merely of an individual, but of humanity's enduring relationship with water, earth, and life itself.
This moment, my humble request to everybody to take care of our earth. See, one thing I have to tell, the flying birds never built their nest at the sky. The flying birds never built their nest at the sky. वो पक्षी है ना, उसको उधरने नहीं है. The tragical thing is, today also, in each and every thing is, every tree in nets are there, the birds are afraid of it. So, you have to careful about it. मनुष्य है ना, उसका अभी बुद्धि प्रकाशन ज़्यादा हो गया. ज़्यादा बुद्धि प्रकाश होते वो क्रिमिनल हो सकता है. नॉट टू बी काइंड हार्ट, गुड हार्ट, लव, केयर, कंपैशन सब भी दिल में, हार्ट में. सो हृदय प्रकाश होता है, भारत प्रकाश होता है, जीव संकल्प, पूरा जीव संकल्प, होल एवरी लाइफ इज प्रकाश हो सकते हैं. सो माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, आई एम नॉट परिसरवादी, परिसरवासी, देर आर डिफरेंट. I'm always too proud to say I'm Purisara-vasi. Vasi means we are always living with the nature only. I basically came from agriculture. The farmer know the feelings of earth. कृषि मालूम है अर्थ का वो क्या हो, भावनात्मक संबंध है, वो बुद्धि प्रकाश में नहीं हो सकता था. इसलिए तो आई एम गोइंग टू डेडिकेट दिस अवार्ड टू माई फार्मर्स एंड स्पेशली पौर कार्मिकों स्वच्छता भगवान है, दिव्य सुगन फ्लोपन है, वो इसलिए उसके लिए मैं डेडिकेट करता हूँ और सैनिक को डेडिकेट करता हूँ. और एंड दोस हू पीपल इन एनी बेटर स्मॉलर दे विल टेक लव, केयर, कंपैशन, अफेक्शन, प्रेम से प्यार से ये भूमि के लिए, ये पृथ्वी के लिए वो रेस्पेक्ट करता था ना, वो उसके लिए डेडिकेट दिस लास्ट करना होने पर यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट. टोटली हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ our nature and everything on this day. My humble appeal to everybody, at least take one pride, take one protection. You have to be protected. That is the real humanity. You are not consumer art. We have to kill our consumer art along with the nature. So on this aspect, in this earth to fulfill everybody's needy things, not greedy things. But we are always people greedy.
आपको ये कौन सा सम्मान मिला है? अभी तक कितने सम्मान मिल चुके हैं और ये सम्मान से आप क्या?
Plenty of people. And basically, I'm from literature field. मैं कवि हो सकता हूँ. आचार्य गुरुदेव कुमार रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, काजी नसरुल्लाह प्रेम कवि है, दिव्य कवि है, माइकल मस, like that so many people. बंकिम चटर्जी, वंदे